to welcome each one of you to this 148th speech day of Auckland House School. Our chief guest, Mr. Kohli, has an honours degree in mathematics from the Punjab University, Chandigarh. Mr. Kohli belongs to the Himachal Pradesh Administrative Services. He has held various posts such as Assistant Commissioner to Deputy Commissioner Shimla, SCM Shimla, Assistant Commissioner Municipal Corporation Shimla, and is now posted as Additional Director at Elementary Education, Himachal Pradesh, Shimla. We are privileged to welcome a person of your caliber in our midst today. Honourable Sir, kindly permit me to present a brief report of the school during the current academic year. Our session this year began on the 3rd of March 2014 with 333 students on the rolls in this section of the school. Soon after the girls came in, 64 girls participated in the talent competition. The junior section sports day was held on 30th April. All 333 girls enthusiastically put up a remarkable performance comprising of displays, aerobics and numerous races. It was a treat to watch them perform with confidence and precision. Father John Bosco, Principal St. Edward's School, Shimla, was our chief guest and lauded the efforts of the students and staff. Next in line was an entertaining puppet show on the 22nd of May. We endeavour to create a healthy mix of work and fun activities to keep the children occupied and engrossed. The annual Art and Craft exhibition was held on the 2nd of August. Mrs. Neelam Bridge, Principal, Orchid Prep School, Shimla, inaugurated this event and greatly appreciated the efforts and hard work put in by the staff and students. The children presented projects on village life, uses of plants, good living, the journey of milk, pollution and natural calamities. It is through such projects that the children are made aware of important issues and also encouraged to adopt a healthy lifestyle. The annual carnival held on 31st May was an enjoyable event with numerous stalls selling delicious eatables cooked by the staff. Mr. Michael John, Principal, Auckland House School for Boys, Shimla, was our chief guest and thoroughly enjoyed himself. All the children of this section were a part of this fun-filled day. Auckland House School firmly believes in the all-round development of the child and hence lays equal emphasis on extracurricular activities as it does on academics. It is in this context that a large number of competitions and activities are conducted throughout the year in which children are encouraged to participate. This year, the Tiny Tots of this wing have actively taken part in art competitions organized by Camlin and English and Hindi handwriting competitions. They have also proved their mettle in various dance and singing contests. Their skills in public speaking were polished through stage performances and recitation competitions. Before the year ends, they will also be taking part in a clay molding competition. Making an effort to draw out the best from each child and simultaneously encouraging talent is what education is all about. A healthy competitive spirit was clearly visible as each one vied with the other to win the above stated competitions. The 4 house days provided ample opportunities to the children to display their hidden talents. Once again today, you have witnessed a fine display of their abilities through the various items presented, not to forget the hard work and ingenuity of their teachers. Each and every child of this section has participated in one event or the other, and I am sure you have all enjoyed the efforts of your children. The process of education can be truly meaningful only by ensuring a close and cordial relationship between the parents and the school. The school has made consistent efforts in organizing counseling sessions for the parents and also their wards, which have enabled all of us to come together and help the child. Your presence here today, ladies and gentlemen, is a great source of encouragement and inspiration to your wards, as always. While the school does its best for the children who enter its portals, I must say this task is getting more and more difficult in modern times when we look at the environment in which our children are growing up. Youngsters today are growing up to be more selfish with hardly any respect for elders and no regard for rules and regulations. It is against such circumstances that we need to build a positive school environment. Cultivating habits of discipline and promoting the right values from an early age has to be our main focus, as values are caught rather than taught. This is where we seek the support of the parents in reinforcing what we seek to inculcate through the school. In the month of June, the girls became a part of the awareness program conducted by Mr. Ravish Bhardwaj from HelpAge India. The girls donated generously to the cause, and a cheque of rupees 2,23,767 was given to the society. Mindful of the needs of others, the children contributed generously towards the Kashmir flood victims and sent a sum of rupees 2 lakhs for this cause. This year, the Renu Mathur Memorial Scholarship has been awarded to Isha Behel of Form 9. The late Mr. Arjun Singh and Mrs. Mohinder Kaur Batra Memorial Scholarship has been awarded to Muskan Verma of Form 10 for being adjudged the best all-rounder of the year. Vishali Singha of Form 12, Ayushi Thakur of Form 10, Kriti Verma of Form 12, Delina Thakur of Form 8 and Kanathi of Form 8 are respectively recipients of this scholarship for excellence in extracurricular activities. The Hazrat Maulana Sayyid Rahmani Scholarship is shared by Divanshi Pawar of Upper KG, Yachna Sharma of Form 3, Charlene of Form 6 and Gargi Sood of Form 12. Apart from this, the school has dispersed scholarships and free-ships worth rupees 21,34,700 and above to deserving students both in the girls and boys school. In conclusion, I would like to place on record my appreciation and gratitude to the teaching, non-teaching and support staff of the school for their wholehearted commitment and dedication to their work. I also place on record my appreciation for the cooperation received from the parents and well-wishers of the school. I am grateful to the chairman, members of the Board of Governors and Mr. John for their guidance and support. May the Almighty continue to bless, guide us in our efforts to take Auckland House to newer heights and keep up its motto, Altiora Peto, in seeking the higher things. Jai Hind.